Morning, Lucas. Say good morning to the camera. Don't blow raspberry. Today is our last day in Balham. Mummy has sent Lucas downstairs so she can get a bit more sleep. It's currently 7:30 in the morning. Monday, the 28th of February. And tomorrow, Lucas, is a leap year. And we'll be living in St Margaret's. That's the exciting thing. You look pretty excited about it to me. Doing your morning jog. And Lucas is now 3.5 months old. And he used to only just fill up that little strap. Now he's a big boy. And he can blow raspberries and coo. And blow bubbles. And he's got big cheeks. Haven't you, Lucas? You got big cheeks. There he is. Yeah, exactly, Lucas. Just what I was thinking.